Okay, bafowethu sanibonani njengoba dineshile uMabongo waCikhulu. Ngithanda ukuthi siqale la njengoba senze education content. Angathi singayiqala ekuqaleni sithole lapha ukuthi kahle le education content yini lapha phakathi. Yayibona khulunywa ngani i-education content ke bafowethu kumele nazi ukuthi ihamba ngani ne-curriculum esetshenziswayo ukuze kuqhubeke phela ukufunda okusukelile. Sifundo sanamhlanje sizogxila na curriculum yethu. Curriculum namhlanje sizoyifisa idefine bese siyachaza ukuthi kahle yini wena mfundi okumele understand ngayo ukuze ungaphindi ikhona. Sibone curriculum. This term curriculum can refers to the education, academics, content and subject that is taught in school or any specific program. It's also defined as the curriculum that is offered by the school. Curriculum can also refer to the knowledge and skills that learners required expected to learn. All these processes include the standards of learning or the learning objectives. It also involves how the lesson should be taught. This includes lesson planning, provide the teaching material and the assessment that evaluate learners' progress. We can call curriculum as a central guide for all teachers because it supports teaching and learning progress. Lana wafethu. Curriculum msengihlazela kahle. Umqulu lo nje waka education osetshenziswayo ezikoleni usetshenziswa ukuthini na ukuze ubhekelana i-teaching and learning process ukuthi ihlelo zokufundisa nokufundiswa kumele zibe kanjani. Lezi ihlelo lezilo bonke le-teaching learning iphethwe curriculum inama specific subjects afundiswayo ezikoleni. Lapho sikhuluma ngo-life skills, iZulu, biology, kuningi ama-subjects asebenzisayo akwi-curriculum. So yonke-ke njengoba kuyi-curriculum ihamba ngama-specific subjects okusho ukuthini na othishara abasebenzayo abafundisa lezo lowo ma-subjects lawo kumele bekwazi ukuthi baplana ama-lesson plan, baletha ama-resources okufundisa ukuze phela iy'ngane zikwazi ukuthi zi-understand lento efundwayo. Bese futhi ama-lesson plan ahamba nama-assessment. Ama-assessment sikhuluma ngama-homework, ama-classwork, izinto iy'ngane ekumele zenze emakhaya noma emva kwesifundo ukuze phela sibheke ukuthi kuyafundiseka, ziyakuthola lokho esikufundisayo. Kahle nje bayasho ukuthi i-curriculum umhlahlandlela nje othisha okulekelela othisha ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi baplane ama-lesson, bakwazi ukufundisa iy'ngane ngendlela. Ngiyabonga.